Hello everyone, this is Kirsch from Brightways Learning. In this screencast, I'm going to show you some new features in our ClassBright Evaluate system, specifically related to people who observe and or evaluate school staff members. In our update, we now have replaced what used to be the teachers list with portfolios. So every teacher or other staff member has a portfolio. From your dashboard, you can very quickly use the pull-down menu in the left-hand section to select one of the people that you observe. So you would just pick their name from that pull-down menu and then click that Open button, and that will take you right to their portfolio. Now you'll also see that once I get into this portfolio, I do have a pull-down menu that has a list of schools related to the school staff members that I'm assigned to. So for example, Tina Teacher, she works at 3 Large Elementary. Now there are a couple other teachers who also work at 3 Large Elementary, and as an evaluator, I am charged with also evaluating the rest of those staff members. But what's cool is once I get into any one of these teachers at that school, I can use this pull-down menu to then go to any of the other 2 teachers that I may need to evaluate while I'm on site. And as always, once you get into each person's portfolio, you just click the Add button to get to any of the several different data collection tools or the evaluation document tool. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You'll see that along with the portfolio's quick select portfolio filter, I also can see have a recently opened list, and these are the last 5 people's portfolios that I've visited. And this is great if you've been working on someone's evaluation or kind of are working to collect multiple data points on a teacher. Then it's very easy to just click that person's name and go to their portfolio. Now, also on the right-hand side, you'll see there's a latest portfolios item. These are the last 5 items that were uploaded to people you're assigned to. And of course, as always, it gives you the when it was, what it was, who it was on. The middle column is, like Emily Evaluator, is the person who authored the item. And then we have kind of this other piece answered, kind of what status basically each of those items is in. Now if I go to all on the latest portfolio items, that gives me everything that's in the system related to the people I am assigned to. And now it does default to the Yours tab, and these are all of the items that I, as this user, have input on my people who I'm assigned to. But I can also see and sort by others. So that means other people who have authored items related to the people I'm assigned to, I can also see here. If I click the All tab to the right of that, I get all of them, both mine that I've added and what other people have added on people that I'm assigned to in one list. So that's just a great handy way to see kind of what you've been doing and to see what other people are doing that you may have missed. Now, if I also have a Portfolios tab at the very top, and that's very similar. If I click on that, that gets me to this main Portfolios index page. Now, you'll notice I can sort each of these columns by name, I can sort by school, and I can sort by number of snippets, number of walkthroughs, formal observations, or evaluations done. Now it also has a school pull-down menu on this portfolios section, and this is another great way to just very easily get to a whole list of teachers by school. So if I'm visiting Sidewinder High School, I can go to Portfolios, select this school, and click the Go button, and I easily get my list of teachers to see where I'm at for that group. Now, if I am an administrator that also gets evaluated by others, then I'm going to have my own portfolio. And we've pulled that out to make it really obvious which stuff is yours and which stuff belongs to other people that you're associated with. So if I go back to the dashboard, you can see I have a My Portfolio section at the bottom here. Now from here, of course, I can always add a snippet and I can go to All to see all of the items in my portfolio, which right now there's nothing. But I can also get to that same place if I click the My Portfolio tab at the very top. Now, for those watching, you may see I've got two other tabs here. Most administrators will not have access to reports or configuration. You're usually limited to these three tabs, or most often just these two tabs, Dashboard and Portfolios. So I hope this helps for those who are in larger schools to jump school to school to make your time, individual to valuable time, much more efficient in using ClassBright Evaluate. Enjoy, and as always, let us know if you have any questions and how else we can help.